Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use Databricks widgets for interactive notebooks. Sign into Databricks and let's get started. In Databricks, widgets can be created directly from the UI for quick interactivity. To create a widget, open the Notebook menu, click Edit, and select Add Parameter. This opens a dialog to provide the widget's name, label, widget type, data type, which is always string, and default value. We'll remove it for now to stay organized. We will be showing how to create different widget types. You can pause or slow down the video to follow along. First, we will create a text widget that lets users input a text value. We'll change the value to Ktlabs. When the user enters a new value, the notebook retrieves and displays it. Next, we will create a drop-down widget to select a single option from the provided predefined list of cities. When a user selects a city, the notebook retrieves and displays the chosen city. Now, we will create a Combobox, a hybrid widget that allows selecting from the provided list or entering a custom value. The initial value is Python, but users can change it to any programming language or add a custom value like Java, which the notebook will display. Finally, we will create a Multiselect widget for choosing multiple options from the provided list of courses. Users can select or deselect courses, and the notebook displays the selected ones. Databricks enables programmatic removal of widgets when no longer needed. For example, we'll remove the course selection widget. All widgets can also be removed at once to reset the notebook or make room for new workflows. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.